Dear students, in this we are going to continue solving past year problems. The solution of the differential equation dy by dx equal to x minus y the whole squared when y of 1 equal to 1 is a equal to minus log to the base e 1 plus x minus y 1 minus x plus y equal to x plus y minus 2. Option B log to the base e 2 minus x by 2 minus y equal to x minus y. Option C minus log to the base e 1 minus x plus y by 1 plus x minus y equal to 2 into x minus 1. Option D log to the base e log base e 2 minus y by 2 minus x equal to 2 into y minus 1. So dy by dx equal to x minus y the whole squared. This is in variable separable form. Put z equal to x minus y. dz by dx equal to 1 minus dy by dx. dy by dx equal to 1 minus dz by dx. One minus dz dx in place of dy by dx write 1 minus dz dx equal to z squared. One minus z squared equal to dz by dx. dz by 1 minus z squared equal to dx. Integral dz by z squared equal to integral dx. So this is of the form integral dx by x square minus a squared 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a plus c, that is 1 by 2 into 1 log here a squared minus z squared, a square minus x square means 1 by 2a log a plus x minus a minus x, 1 by 2 into 1 log z plus 1 by z minus 1 equal to here dx x plus c. One by 2 log, in place of z we have one plus z equal to x minus y. A plus x by a minus x, that is 1 plus z divided by a means 1, 1 plus by 1 minus z, 1 minus equal to x plus c, 1 by 2 log 1 plus x minus a by 1 minus x plus y equal to x plus c. Given y of 1 equal to 1, 1 by 2 log 1 plus 1 minus 1 divided by 1 minus 1 plus 1 equal to 1 plus c. So that 1 by 2 log 1 equal to 1 plus c. This is 0 equal to 1 plus c, which implies c equal to minus 1. Therefore, 1 by 2 log 1 plus x minus y divided by 1 minus x plus y equal to x minus 1. Log 1 plus x minus y by 1 minus x plus y equal to 2 times x minus 1. Or minus log, if you take reciprocal, the sign will get minus log 1 minus x plus y divided by 1 plus x minus y equal to twice x minus 1. So option C is correct. Next, let y equal to y of x be the solution of the differential equation x dy by dx plus y equal to x log x x is greater than 1 if 2 into y of 2 equal to log 4 to the base c minus 1 then y of e is equal to e is by 4 option B minus e square by 2 minus e by 2 e by 4. So x dy by dx plus y equal to x log x, where x is greater than 1. dy by dx plus y by x equal to log x. dy by dx plus py equal to q. P equal to 1 by x, q equal to log x, integral p dx, integral 1 by x dx, that is log x, e power integral p dx, e power log x equal to x. Solution: y into e power integral p dx equal to integral q e power integral p dx dx plus c. So y into x equal to integral q, that is log x, to the base c x dx plus c. So you have to apply integration by pass. U equal to log x, dv equal to x dx, d equal to 1 by x dx, integral dv equal to integral x dx, v equal to x square by 2, integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du, I equal to log x, x square by 2, x square by 2 du 1 by x dx. Therefore, in the left hand side we have xy u. For this part uv minus v du, this will be cancelled. So xy minus x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2, we have x. If you integrate again x square by 2 plus c, xy equal to x squared by 2 log x minus x square by 4 plus c. Two y of 2 equal to log 4 to base e minus 1, that is given. Two into y of 2 equal to log 2 square minus 1, that is 2 log 2 to the base e minus 1, that is twice y of 2. Here put x equal to 2. 2 y of 2 equal to 4 by 2 log 2 to the base e minus 4 by 4 plus c, that is 2 log 2 to the base e minus 1 plus c. But we know that 2 y of 2 equal to 2 log 2 to the base e minus 1 equal to 2 log minus 1 plus c, which implies c equal to 0. Therefore, xy equal to x squared by 2 log x minus x square by 4, c takes the value 0. Y equal to x by 2 log x minus x by 4. So y means y of x, y of e, that is e by 2 log e minus e by 4. So e by 2 log e value 1 minus e by 4. 2e minus e by 4. E by 4. So option D is correct. If a curve passes through the point and has the slope of the tangent at the point x comma y on it. As x squared minus 2y by x then the curve also passes through the point minus root 2 comma 1 minus 1 comma 2 root 3 comma 0, option D, 3 comma 0. So slope is given as dy by dx is given as x squared minus 2y by x. So dy by dx x squared by x minus, so dy by dx plus 2 by x into y equal to x. This is of the form dy by dx plus p by q. P takes value 2 by x, q takes value x. Integral p dx, integral 2 by x dx, 2 log x, that is log x squared, e power integral p dx, e power log x squared that is x squared. Solution is y into e power integral p dx equal to integral q e power integral p dx dx plus c. Y into x squared equal to integral q x into x squared dx plus c. So yx squared, if you integrate x power 4 by 4 plus c. This curve passes through 1 comma minus 2 into 1 by 4 plus c. Minus 9 by 4 equal to c. Therefore, yx squared equal to x power by 4 minus 9 by 4. 4x squared y equal to x power 4 minus 9. X power 4 minus 4x squared y minus 9 equal to 0. They are given 4 options. If we apply minus root 2 comma 1, four minus 8, this will not satisfy. If you take root 3 comma 0, root 3, that's 9 minus 0 minus equal to 0. So root 3 comma 0 only satisfies this curve. Passes through root 3 comma 0. So option C is correct. Let y equal to y of x be the solution of the differential equation x square plus 1 whole squared into dy by dx plus 2x into x square plus 1 into y equal to 1 such that y of 0 equal to 0 if root a into y of 1 equal to pi by 32 then the value of a is option A 1 by 16, 1 by 4, 1 and 1 by 2. X square plus 1 whole square by whole square dy by dx 2x into x square plus 1 to y equal to 1. So dy by dx plus 2x into x square plus 1 by x square whole square into y equal to 1. Here also x square plus 1 whole square dy by dx plus 2x by x square plus 1 into y 1 by x square plus 1 whole square. This is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. P takes value 2x by x square plus 1, q takes value 1 by x square plus 1 whole square. Integral p dx integral 2x by x square plus 1 dx that is log x square plus 1. The differentiation of denominator exists in the numerator. Integral f of x here f dash of dx equal to log f of x. E power integral p dx e power log x square plus 1 equal to x square plus 1. Y into e power integral p dx equal to integral q e power integral p dx dx plus c. Y into x square plus 1 1 by x square plus 1 the whole square, that is q value This is x square plus 1 into dx plus c. Y into x square plus 1 1 by x square plus 1 into dx plus c. Y into x square plus 1 equal to tan of x plus c. Y of 0 equal 0, that is given 0 into 0 plus 1 so c equal to 0. Y into x square plus 1 equal to tan of x. Y equal to tan of x by 1 plus x squared. Root a into y of 1 equal to pi by 32. Root a into y of 1 means tan of 1 minus 1 plus 1 equal to pi by 32. Root a by 2 tan is 1 pi by 4 equal to pi by 32. Root a equal to pi by 32 into 8 by root a equal to 1 by 4, which implies a equal to 1 by 16. Option A is correct.